Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at AMC. AMC has not been cooperating very well, so I need to roll these options out another week. Hopefully AMC is going to be popping here real soon, so we can make some more money. Doesn't even look like I can do a diagonal down. I thought I would be able to, but I guess not today. So just going to go with what I got. Hopefully this is going to work out, and we'll get another week, and hopefully this will reduce my cost basis yet again by another 60 cents or $60. So that should work out just fine. What do you guys think about AMC? I think it's going to be hopefully another short squeeze is going to be coming here real soon. Price has been under a lot of pressure going down recently, so not really sure what's going to happen. Hopefully that'll work out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and you can see what happens and how to handle these options once they go bad, like this one is. Just keep rolling it out, getting the credit. Hopefully doing diagonals down at some point. There's some more volatility. But alright guys, tell me what you guys think. Thanks for watching.